record this session. Okay. Okay, so I'm recording. So minimize. Who is missing here? Hardik, Hitesh, are missing. Both are missing. So they will come. Again, they will go. Akshay, Niranjan is here. So let them come. So we'll see. Where are we? We are in this mode, right? So 1 second. So you can put anything. Okay, my mission is ready. I given. Okay. Sorry, you connected second time, right? Yeah, Hardik is also came. Very good. So only Hitesh is left. Okay, Hardik also given permission. Initially, so we'll see. Yeah, it is came, but okay, complete. Next, install. Let it install. Once it is completed, then we will get something. This is close. Okay. Okay, guys. Just before we develop a code, and we should execute this code. Okay. So how to do it? Very simple. We should save it. After saving, you can see run. If you click it, run as a Java application. That's it. Now you got a hello Git. Of course, it is just a development, right? But how to put this thing into GitHub? So that is important, right? So now I'm going to help. And going to Eclipse Marketplace. Okay. If you already separately download, then you can use install new software. Otherwise, you can go to Eclipse Marketplace. Just go there. Okay. Minimize. Where it is? Here it is. So automatically it will set few things and it will give. So this is like connecting one to another one, like, okay. It is showing so many things, but I will try to search for a Git. Okay, we need a Git plugins. Okay, now Git integration to Eclipse. Okay, and Node Eclipse, so many things are there. Like this, so many things it will be. So, but I'm going with this Git Eclipse like this. It is already installed. Okay, it is already installed. If it is not installed, then it shows like this. You can click on it, so then you can able to install it. So it is already installed. So if you go to more info, then also you can see that information regarding Git distribution things. Okay, now Git is already installed, right? So then, okay, I'm closing this one. Now I'm right clicking on this one, Git repo, Git project one. Okay, these are build paths and all, profile, store from local history, and team, compare with. Okay, one by one you can see, like you can go to team or a shared project, configure. Where is this? Team only, as you remember. Okay, apply a patch or a shared project thing. Okay, so use or a user create a repository in parent folder. Okay, so like this you can, where you want to create it. Okay, so I'm giving a location only. So I'm creating repository. Now it will take time. So Git local repository is created. So the location of the folder is this one. Here you can see .git one. So this is present. Okay, and finish it. Okay, now the Git thing is added, but it is showing a question mark. It means other things not happen. Like see, when you are earlier only two options. Now once you added to Git, like you can get like this. You want to commit, you want to pull, you want to stash, you want to apply, create a patch or apply a patch, merge, every option you will get it. So I'm going to git commit, then just super. So it is asking to where to commit. So unbound batch, if this is commit will create a branch. So we didn't given a where to commit, right? So we didn't given a where to commit. So I'm going to create a new another repository. So yeah, this is the name, right? So like, okay. Anyway, later I will have to delete all these things. Okay, so then create a repository. Then copy this link. Okay. So what is stage changes? Unstaged changes. This is not at in a stage changes. So this is a commit message. This is commit message. Okay, so commit and push and only commit. So I'm going with the commit and push on this. Okay, so commit means git project one first commit. Okay, otherwise commit from Eclipse. I'm correct only Eclipse. Okay, what to commit? All you want to commit, or you want to commit only one thing? Okay, like this you can give so add all files. So I'm adding into staging files. Earlier everything is new file, and now it is all are in this one. So add everything. This is the commit message. Just I'm committing only. Or if you want to go do commit and push, so click commit and push. It is asking which branch, the name, which is we created this thing. Okay, URL and where it is creating. Okay, you want to give username and password, then we should give a username password. Vedic soft cts. Okay, username @gmail.com. Password capital ZAQ MLP @7. Preview. So how it is preview thing. Next. Master to master. Okay, so push it. Now it is again, it is asking. Okay. MLP. Okay. Yeah. So completely done. Now I'm going to check it once. So this is done. Okay. Here is actually file is located here. Okay. So this is done. Now one code is completed. So this part is completed, right? So this is console. So I will see the console thing. Now one part is come. Now next development. So how to do next development then? So I will put something values like integer a is equal to a comma b or comes under integers. Okay. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B. Anything you can use just for a system. CT system dot out dot print line in this one. So C equal to A plus B. Okay. Have a, it's like connected to TV, the monitor having a plus. Okay, C, that's it. Normally we should give comma, right? So here we don't give comma, we give plus for a next statement. Like, okay, so yeah, why it is C is showing like this? Because we didn't say what is data type it is. Now it is there. Now new development, develop again. After new development, what to do? Then save it, run it. Okay, test is okay. Like this, or maybe you can use equal to thing and save it. So check it, your code is okay. Now whatever the output, you got it. Now what to do? Again, right click, team, new commitment, right? So again, it is new commitment. Again, new commitment. So it is already in a staging area. So we should, there is a problem here actually, because a new thing is developed, right? So it's in unstaged area. So we have to see symbol is changed. Team, we should add it. We should use add. Okay, I'll do commit. What will happen? Okay, I put a second commit. So then what will happen? So I put a commit. Then it is not throwing any error. So I push. So same thing. So preview. Okay, I didn't store. No, so that's why it is asking multiple times. Okay, if I save username and password inside, then it won't ask multiple times. Okay, so again, if I check this one, so it won't ask so many times. Okay, this is new commitment, second commitment, push it. It is asking every time. CTS. Okay. Okay, now finish. Is it completed or not? We have to verify here. So second commit is done. Very good. It is done. So it is done. So it is continuous development. So one part I told like a continuous development. Same thing we can do with PyCharm or Python programs. You can do it. So I think so you are understand what I'm doing here. Okay, so I have an IDE, and then instead of just a file and upload, so I'm programming it. I commit to my central repository, and then again I'm working on it. Whatever develop it, again I will integrate it. So what happens? So finally I will create a project there, right? So like that. So I'm want to show you a very simple way. That's why I created simple, and even I don't know high complex thing, but this is a very simple project to integrate. Like you can develop, keep on develop, or you can add more files here. Okay, and we can able to integrate to it. Okay, so okay, so if you are here, then you can test it like a Java, C, that kind of stuff. You can do it if you want it. Okay, so you can not bin, it is src. This is the project one. So right click, edit. So this is what we are done till date. Okay, so like that. Okay, so where it is located, here, right? So this is my project, and here in my local PC. Here it is in central repository. So data is here as well as in my local PC also. Okay, you got it? Fine. Now I want to open something like Git project. No. I want to go to Git pull. I want to pull that configuration. So which one is I uploaded recently? This is Git project, right? So this is I uploaded recently. This is I want to take it into another PC, or maybe I want to develop into different ways. So then also we can able to do it. This is finish, restart. Okay, maybe that PC will get ready, will take time. So I'm going with think like another PC type. Okay. Okay. So yeah, right. Command prompt. We need this code. Control C. Okay. Where which is covering everything. Yeah. Okay. This is CMD. So what I'm doing, git clone, paste it. Now I got it into git pull folder instead of into that folder. I got in a git pull folder. So this is the project I got it. So which is I upload into our PC, right? So this is the git pull folder. So what I'm going to cd. What is the name? Cd git project one. But how to execute that project? How to execute this project? So you have to go to this location. You have to go to that location. cd src. Okay, slash. So cd src is there, no? So I'll go to dir. So src is there, cd src slash. Okay, git project one. Now ls, sorry, yeah, hello Java. So then Java C, hello Java, it will throw errors, no problem. It's not throwing error, but definitely it will throw error because yeah, it's throw error. So why? Because it's having class is okay. It's creating a class actually, so it's creating a class, but problem is it is a problem with package kind of stuff. So you have to give it Java. The package name is there, so you can see in a code there is a package name is also there. So you have to take the package also. Okay. So when you do it, package name slash dot hello git, then it is become biscuit. Okay, so this package thing without a package is okay, like, but package, once you give a package, definitely we should give proper .com package kind of stuff. Okay, but actually that is the thing, like how to integrate both the things. So whatever done, It happens like that. Okay, so you can't see anything here. So you have to find where is that package. That's it. Git ignore that slash bin, everything is removed. src dot class path. Open with notepad. So this is XML file. Here it is showing us src slash. Argument commit. Nothing. It is. So see. Okay. Now Java. Sorry. cd dot slash dot src there, right? Java. No. cd src Java. Dot slash git one slash hello like this. Okay, guys, leave it. That package part is there because of that package part only. It is not giving any output. So leave it like I will show you how to do it. The package correction and new changes. But try to understand what is the continuous development. Okay, so next one is we are going to do with the Jenkins. Okay, we are do with the Jenkins. Yeah, this piece is ready. Okay, very good. So once we install new things, so what to do? Services.msc services.msc git. Okay, this one. So download this one. It's downloading, so no need to worry. Okay, and meanwhile I will Windows update is also there, right? Properties, disable, apply. Okay, so this part is completed and run. So I'm installing GitHub. 1, 2. I want icon. I want everything. I don't want updates. And, it's a free one, no problem. Okay, Vim. This option. So anything you can use it. Windows style and Linux style. You can use anything. Okay, so I'm not changing much. I will leave it everything. So I put a check mark for this one. You want this one, you can put it. Let it install. Another one is Java thing, right? So Java is one more column, right? So what I'm going to do is I will check whether I have a Java files or not. I have this one, but I need another JDK file. So yeah, I have this JDK file or 9 also no problem. So I have this one here. So then I will take it. I will put it. No, it is not working here. Very good. Launch it, and something will open and close it. I don't want it. So this is open. Very good. So thing is, yeah, you can use 9 or 10 or whatever it is. Anything, no problem. If you're unable to download, please tell me. Then I will search for any bin files. So I'm going to install Java also. Okay, so my C drive is 160 GB. So let it do. So meanwhile, I'm going to disk management because I want to put everything into separate folders. So instead of putting into C drive, so I will create new sync volume. Meanwhile, it is going to be installed. So for one, so where it is? Sorry, 6. Sorry, this is not 64440 60 GB. Okay, so E drive is created here. Good. So can you see this is location? So let it install. This is Java 9, that is Java 8. So you may get a problem when you do with the Java because it's a Java 9, that is Java 8. Okay, let it install. It is this Java mainly for Jenkins purpose only. Main is Jenkins purpose, but for Git we don't require all this kind of stuff. Okay, or you want to do any Java programming. Now I got my E drive. So I want to show you important thing is Git related, right? So I'm going to create a folder. Okay, so we have a 10 minutes to disconnect. So I put a Git pull. So all pulling things I will put in a Git pull. All uploading things I will put in a Git project. So 2 folders I'm going to create here. Okay, so one is like Git projects. Okay, so if I pull from there, like a cloning from existing one and doing that one, I put a Git pull. If I create new thing, anything, it's a Git project. What's happening? Yeah, it is completed. So yeah, very good. So now Java installation is completed. Important is like where it is installed. Program files. This is Java. This is JDK. This is bin file, right? So this is location. Copy this one. Go to right click this PC, properties, advanced, system settings, environmental variables. Okay, environmental variables. So here in this location, okay, new, not here, anything. So there is 2 things are done, new, in this new, put in a caps, you have to put Java underscore home and paste this location, okay. After this one, go to the path. Can you see this path? Path name, path, edit. Okay, once you put a edit, click on new, percentage Java underscore home percentage slash bin. So bin in small letters, bin. So like this, very simple. So give it in a path. There are already paths are existing. So in the path, just click new and percentage Java home percentage bin. Click OK, 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 and close this one. And open a normal CMD, just CMD, and put a Java and space hyphen version. Okay, it is showing a 9.0.1 installed. Okay, like this. Okay, this is we created. So I installed JDK, GRE also come. Okay, so now our Git practical, I will tell you in a very easy way. Okay, so here in this one I created, right? So you may get a doubts, or if you don't log in, how to do it. So you should do with the existing one only. Okay, you have to do with the existing projects only. Okay, now this is a Git project and this is a Java project. So I'm going to Git project. Here it is there. Okay, so I will change something into that one. What will happen? Or pull something? No. I will take very simple one. So instead of that one, yeah, CTS 6. This is first one, right? So yeah, very good guys. Deepak new Deepak. So no. This is not me. This is not yours. Sorry. I thought you done. Where is our project? Why my repositories are very less? Yeah, now it is open. Why this is okay? Got it. Yeah, CTS this one. Guys, you who committed second commit? I don't know, but new file. Niranjan committed. Okay, very good. Good. Do that one. So this is the link. Okay, this is the link, right? So here I'm using this repository which is already created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to git pull. I'm going to git pull. Before going to git pull, then I will open my browser and I put a GitHub / Vedic Soft CTS. Yeah, it is because Bing, it is completely worst. I don't want all these things. Just go like this. Vedic Soft CTS. We have 4 minutes to disconnect, guys. So once it is disconnected, today is completed. If you have a doubt, I will continue. So I will show you other things also. Okay. If you have doubts for a doubt clarification, if you have doubts, please tell me doubt in this one. Okay. What is this? 9 commitments are happened. A code is not opening. So you can see sign up, sign in. So I didn't sign in anything, right? Why it is happening here? Always in a last minute tensions are there here in this one. So this is the file related one. Code. Why this is? Yeah, it is good. Why it is not opening this code? A browser issue or what? View resources. There is a problem with this browser. See how much time it is taking. Why this is code is not working? I don't know. So Yeah, anyway, it will open like this, guys. No problem. It's a public only, so you can use in your PC with this code. So this is my second PC. So you okay? So very good. No. So this is git pull file, open cmd, git clone, okay, and the link. Okay, actually it will show us. It is not showing now. It is some problem. Now you got it here. Now I got a folder. Open the folder. I'm creating new file. The something name like okay, new file. Okay, a new file is already there. Okay, Latif file. It is already there, right? So test one. Test one file. We will get a problems, no problems, because starting right. So we'll go to, oh God. First of all, we have to register the name things, right? So first git global. Okay, do you remember this thing? We are giving a names kind of stuff. This configuration. I saved the configuration, right? Yeah, this configuration. These are things you have to give. First is this one. Okay, your name, anything you can give. Latif, new, Latif, something I can give. Okay, and same thing with email ID. Email Latif dot something new at the rate Gmail, something, anything. It's not required to existing also. Okay, now I registered to the my gate. Then now new thing is happened, right? So git init, already it is there. Git add. So I'm added. Okay. Now git commit -m and new commit from other PC. Now commit is completed. Now git remote is not required because already that information is there. Push -u origin